Hi, my name's Sean. I started Carbon Shaving Co. in 2018. I had a bold goal of making the best safety razor. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the materials we use, but I'm also going to touch on finish as well. I think it's important you understand metal and its finishes. One of our most popular razors is the CX316L. It's made from 316 marine grade stainless steel. The finish here is a polished finish. And there's really 4 reasons why you want a polished finish. The first is it looks good. Who doesn't like a polished surface? It's just smooth, it's reflective. That's one benefit. But there are functional benefits. A second benefit is the fact that the smooth surface allows no crevices for bacteria and germs to collect, so it's easier to clean. If you have sensitive skin, you really want a polished surface. There's no cracks or crevices for water or salt to collect in. That's how corrosion starts. The last benefit of a polished surface is that it's less drag on the face. Next material in our line is our copper. But the unique thing about copper is that it's some of the earliest material used in shaving. Some of the earliest knives were made out of copper. A couple of characteristics about copper is that it has a very high heat retention. Now, the finish on the copper is quite interesting. And what makes this interesting is that it develops a patina. Over time, it'll start to age. It'll start to gain more character. Another material we use in our main lineup is titanium. What makes this material very unique is its lightness. Another element about titanium is that it won't rust. Titanium is probably the most bulletproof material you can get. Actually, on this particular one, we have a very polished finish, but we also offer titanium in a brush finish as well. Our first exotic piece and exotic material we use is stainless steel Damascus. And if you look, it has some very unique patterns. This particular piece is named the CX Secutor. We named this line of Damascus pieces after gladiators. Mokume gets its origin from Japan. Now we're going back to the days of the samurai. What made it unique and what makes this material unique is this is actually forged copper and brass. Both our Mokume and our Damascus, each piece is unique, and we all custom forge this material. This is finished with a brushed finish, and what's unique, much like our copper pieces, is it will develop patina over time. Also a little bit heavier, and it holds retention in its heat very well. Another material that has an interesting story, and it's actually a modern story, is titanium Damascus. This material was made for us by a company out in Las Vegas. And yeah, they custom forged this material for us. Now, what's crazy about it is forging and melting titanium. It is not an easy task. You can see here the colors that come out. Much like our titanium model, this product is exceptionally light. In fact, this particular model is one of the lightest in the world in terms of razors. Another piece we have is our Damascus. It's kind of a variation of our stainless steel Damascus. We actually acid etch this. We then soak each of the parts individually into that acid. So with this material, after I've acid etched it, we coat it with a DLC or a diamond-like carbon coating. Now what we do is we then finish it again. We repolish it, and that's what reveals this contrast of stainless steel and black. And you can really see how that contrast really comes together in this particular piece. Whether you're choosing some of our exotic materials or whether you choose the CX316, what you have is you have an heirloom safety razor. If you have any questions or you're curious about one of our exotic safety razors or you have questions about our 316, hey, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help.